My name is Shiloh Lundahl, and I am a real estate investor and real estate investing coach. I've been investing in real estate since 2010, and I built up a portfolio of about 250 properties over that time, and I've sold a lot of them. Right now, I currently have about 50 single-family homes, and I'm a partner in about 100 properties in mobile home parks. I also own 5 luxury short-term rentals. 3 of them are out in Costa Rica, and I run investor retreats out of those properties. So if you want to learn how to invest in real estate, you're welcome to come to my free monthly meetup in Mesa, Arizona. The address is going to be in the description of this video below, or you can also come to our investor retreat out in Costa Rica. They are amazing. We have a great time, and the people that come learn how to invest in real estate. But don't just take my word for it. Listen to some of the people that I have personally helped learn how to invest in real estate.
My experience working with Shiloh was I had about 3 rental properties going into the calendar year 2021, and now I think I have about 9 properties. I found that his coaching was very helpful. Some of the folks he introduced me to in his circle have been very helpful for me in terms of raising capital, and then really getting out there and analyzing deals. I would definitely recommend Shiloh's coaching. Now, I cannot sit there and speak for anybody's individual finances, but I can say that for me, what I paid for his coaching, I have received back 5-fold in terms of the rental income that I receive at this moment. And yeah, Shiloh's a great guy. He is always going to have time to answer questions, and he is just a very good coach.
All right, what's up everyone? My name is Mike. I just finished up Shiloh Lundahl's coaching program. Phenomenal program. Worked with him for about a year, and when I first started early 2022, I didn't know much about real estate investing. I had read a couple books, tried to do a couple deals on my own, things that fell through, made some mistakes. Thankfully, met Shiloh through online, just through Bigger Pockets, and ended up signing up for his coaching program. And in the last year, I have closed on 4 deals, closing on my 5th one, hopefully next week, increased my net worth almost $1,000, or excuse me, almost $100,000. And it's just been great to catch up with him every 2 weeks, bounce ideas off of him of what works, what doesn't. He's kept me out of a lot of trouble with deals as well that I thought were really good deals, and then he'll point out 1 or 2 things where they turn out to not be good, and I'm glad that I don't go under contract with them. So thanks to Shiloh. If you got any questions, feel free to reach out to him or shoot me a message on Instagram at REI_MikeG.
So reach out to me and let's get on the phone and let's see if I might be a good fit for you to help you build your real estate portfolio. Thanks for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day.